I absolutely love this piece of art. I feel like it's so dimensional because it's glass, and I just love how it coordinates with the rug. It's very fall. I'm kind of getting safari vibes with the elephant.
Yes.
But I feel like there's something missing in the space.
Definitely is. So in today's Designer's Den, we're going to talk about how to coordinate the art with the rug with some accent pillows.
So by tying in some accent pillows that coordinate with the art and the rug, I think is a really simple way to amp up the space, elevate it,
Absolutely.
make it look complete.
Yes, it's adding texture too, right?
Yes.
So this rug has some really great natural textures, which kind of brings like the outdoors in for me.
It does. I love the brown tones. And again, if you're one to switch out your decor for the season, I think this is a really great fall feel.
Absolutely. So this to me now looks complete. Like we've got another layer on here. I love these browns, and you know that picture too has some golds in it. So it'd be okay to throw a gold in here.
Oh, absolutely.
Or having some gold accessories on the table.
Even there's some subtle gray tones, which is picked up by this throw, and it works really well.
Great. So let's see what else we have today.
All right, what I love about this space is that we're showing a different color tone. This is definitely more cool tone versus the warm that we just came from.
I also love in this space that how the art has a floral design, and then into the rug, they also have a floral design. So it kind of mimics that, mirrors it. And if you notice in these pillows, I feel like the color is drawn, now that we've added the pillows, like the color is brought down to the floor.
Absolutely, like the blue tones and the gold, like these pillows, they don't have the metallic gold, but they have this mustard color and this orange color, which coordinates really well with this piece of art. And I guess that's what you have to look for when you're trying to complete the space, is just repeating a matter. So whether that's color, whether that's a metal or pattern, like
a floral and a floral,
then that's, I think, how the room looks really cohesive.
What else do we have?
I think we have one more.
All right. So this is our final space. And in this space, these pillows already come with the sofa. So we need to build upon this pillow.
And I really love the lines in this pillow, and we've mimicked it in the rug with similar lines.
And I like how they've done like a neutral art, because there's already a lot going on with the patterns.
Right, and even the texture, like this sofa just has a lot of texture anyway on its own. And I just noticed these table lamps before we walked into the space, and they're actually perfect. Every single color tone in this pillow is in the lamp.
Right. I feel like you can do a lot still if you wanted to add a pillow. Like you could go with a solid black.
Yeah, totally.
It can kind of tie in the table too.
Right. That's a great idea. And we sell so many accent pillows where you can easily build upon your space if you buy a sofa that already comes with pillows included.
Or if you already have a piece of art at home and you're trying to build a room around that piece of art, just take a picture of it, and we have tons of accent pillows to kind of coordinate everything together.
Yeah, we would love to see your space and what you do with it if you add extra pillows to your sofa group. So please tag the photo, let us know how you are inspired to update your room.
Thanks for joining us on today's Designer's Den. You can find everything that we saw today at afw.com or in store. We look forward to seeing you next week.